everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing guys this makeup look right here, which is last minute makeup look for this Christmas, and it's achievable as well. So if you're interested in knowing about this makeup look, then continue watching. Firstly, starting with this face serum, I'm going to be massaging it nicely into my skin, and I use this lip balm to keep my lips hydrated. Moving on, using this Wet n Wild Photo Focus primer. It's a dewy primer, so I want my base look more illuminated and dewy, so I'm using this primer and I'm blending it with the beauty blender. This is how my face looks after blending the serum and primer. Now let's move on with the foundation. For that, using this Superstay foundation, and I'm going to be blending it with the same beauty blender. So I have done detailed review on this foundation. I'll provide that link for you guys in this I button. You can check it out if you want to. Once I'm done blending my foundation, I'm using this creamy pencil from Maybelline. I'm going to be filling my eyebrows with that. It's super duper easy, very convenient, so I really love this pencil. Then using this LA Girl Pro Conceal in medium beige and priming my lids with that. And once that's done, I'm going to be setting it with this Wet n Wild contour palette. Taking light shade, I'm going to be setting my eyelids. Then today I'll be using this GLAM 21 palette. It has gorgeous colors. I'm going to be using this golden shade and I'll be applying it all over my eyelids. First I used with the brush, but then it works amazing with the fingers. So I'm just applying it and then blending it nicely. So I have just used only one eyeshadow, you guys. It's super easy, yet it looks so classy and glamorous. I really loved how it turned out. So I'm just applying it and making sure there are no harsh edges. And once I was happy with the way my eyeshadows were looking, I moved on with this parrot green eyeshadow, which was the showstopper. I really loved how it made my makeup look come together. I just applied it on my inner corners and I must say it just popped off completely, you guys. I really love such kind of pop off colors, and I also love colorful eye makeups, so it's just my thing. And I know there are many people who really love colorful makeup, so you can just experiment with whatever you have and colorful eyeshadows, because it's party season. You can do anything and everything. There are no rules for makeup. So yeah, once I was done placing and blending the eyeshadows, I moved on with curling my lashes, and I used this L'Oreal mascara for my upper and bottom lashes. Also used same concealer to conceal my dark spots and blemishes, and to set my base using same powder from the contour palette, and I'm going to be setting my base. Then going back to contour palette, using darker shade to contour my face. I'm going to be bronzing up my face, and then I'll slightly contour my nose as well. Then for blush, I'm using this Blue Heaven blush. I'm going to be applying it on my cheeks and making sure everything is blended. And use same compact powder to clean up the edges. Then for highlighter, using this Wet n Wild highlighter and highlighting my highest points. To set my base, using this Faces Canada Ultime Pro Setting Spray. To finish off my eye look, I use this nude pencil from Wet n Wild. And to finish off my makeup, using this Ruby Woo from MAC, I'm going to be applying it on my lips. And I used a lip liner brush to clean up the edges and make it look more precise. So with that, I finished this makeup tutorial. I really hope this video was helpful, and I wish you all a Merry Christmas. I'll see you all in my next video super soon. Thank you all so much for watching.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells.
Hey everyone, before ending this video, don't forget to download this Meesho app for free, because you have great opportunity to earn from home. And this is how the India's #1 reselling app looks like. You just have to select any category you prefer and then start reselling it to your friends or family, and then you can start earning at home. Please don't miss this great opportunity.